Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Edna, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset your PIN just in case you forget it on PiggyVest. So someone asked in the comment section when I created a video about how you can reset your password in case you forget your password, how to reset it. The video will be in the description box below. And someone in the comment section said, what if I forget my PIN? And that is why we have this video today. So please watch till the end. If you are new here, thank you so much for coming to watch my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos you'll be the first to get notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate you. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you have to do is to click on your PiggyVest icon on your phone. And then it will prompt you to log in. So you click on the login button, enter your phone number. If you have forgotten your password, just go and watch the video on how I created on how to reset your password. The video is in the description box below. So enter your phone number. So remember, it's the phone number that you're using registering this account that you're going to enter. So now enter your password. Click on login. And now they say please confirm your PIN to access your PiggyVest. So this is where the problem lies. Now let me take, for example, let me just pretend like I have forgotten my PIN and see what happens. You see, it says your PIN is not valid, and now it has shown you forget your PIN. So you are going to click on this forgot your PIN. Click on it. Now you are going to read this. Are you sure you want to reset your PIN? This will send a new PIN to your phone via SMS. Note, you will be required to set a new PIN after this. Now click on yes, reset PIN. This account is linked to another device. Kindly contact support. So if you are not able to do this, so when I first created this account, I used a different phone, and so they say my account is linked to another device. So you are going to contact them. Okay, contact them via email. So you come to account here under account. So you click on account, scroll down, click on contact us. Now this is their phone number. Click on call now to call them, or you click on email address to copy their email address. Then you go and send them a message on email. They are going to respond to you that you have forgotten your PIN. Just tell them the issue, the issue you are having, and they will respond to you as fast as possible. So I did not forget my PIN, so that's why I'm not going through this process with you, but I've shown you how to do it. Okay, just go and email them, or you call them and let them know the problem that you have, so that they'll be able to help you to reset it. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.